beautiful, like this one. See? This is the other one. So we have two. This and this one. Like that. These are the branches that I got from the trees outside. One from the peach tree, the other one from the nectar plant. So I will put this here. Our and then this on the side first. This is our Easter tree. And these are the decorations that I will use. It has Easter eggs and then like eggs that just hatched, and this like these bird houses, and then it has some flowers and mushrooms. So these are the decorations that I will use. This is available at Amazon, and I'll put the link down below in case you're interested in making your own Easter tree too. Fall or autumn is an exciting time of the year when you decorate with pumpkins and like some fall foliage, and then from fall you switch into like Christmas decorations, which is also another happy time. Then after that it's more of like winter and nothing really to decorate. Like, you know, after Christmas it's like more of like I usually decorate with birds, and now like springtime, the grass starts to grow, the fruit trees are like kind of like the peach trees, the pear trees, they are starting to bloom, and so springtime is like a really happy time with beautiful colors like these colors. So you have the pink and the yellow and the flowers, and then the birds are singing, the bees are coming back, so it's a really beautiful time of the year. So let's look at this. See? Let's hang this here. Maybe here. Let's move this close. Look at that beautiful egg with flowers. And then we have this yellow. Let's add green. This is green. Maybe here. And then what else? Pink. Let's do the pink here. Here. Then we have the tiny birdhouse. Let's put this here. And then we have more here. Let's add the other pink here. And like this has flowers. It's a flower bud here. And then I put water. These are like live branches. Beautiful. And then this one here, the blue. And then we should add more up there. Another blue here. Oh. This one is pink. Oh, there's pink there, maybe here. Like there, maybe. And then more pink here. There's a lot of pink on this side already. Yeah. And then look at the beautiful birdhouse. Again, I'll put the link down below. This is available at Amazon, so I'll put the link down below. The other ones, I don't know if like how to hang them because there's no. Oh, it came with this one, so I need to use this to hang the rest. It came with this one, so let's use this to hang the rest. I think this is a, let's see, let's figure out a double tape, I think. Like that, I could take this other one out. Oh yeah, so like that. Just put it here, and then the Tweety bird. And then here probably. There you go. So it came with already hung the other like Tweety bird. So it came with like 3 birds and then 3 bunnies, white and then the pink one. So I just need to use this double, I think this is like called double tape or something. So I added all the tapes on the bunnies and the chicks. Now let's hang them here. It's easy to stick them. It's just like, Josh, look at this. Daddy, look at this. It's so beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
Beautiful, right?
The leaves are instead eggs.
Huh?
Yeah, look at look at our Easter tree. It's so beautiful. And I have the pink one here.
Is that how it looks?
Yeah.
Wow, Mom is so creative, no? And artistic, no? Hato?
And I have some more Easter decorations here. It's a little dark now, so I will do another video tomorrow morning. I have this bunny too. I think I have like a thing here. Oh yeah, the blue thing from the bunny here. There's our Easter tree. I'll take a video again when it's like brighter. This is a peach tree. Look at the peach blossoms. Beautiful. Now let's look for a branch before the rain pours down. It should rain shortly. Oh, look at this. I am using this mini chainsaw from Saker or Saker. I have an unboxing video of this mini chainsaw. In water, so it will continue to bloom indoor. But I need to cut this branch anyway because it is like spreading out too much. This one too, this is a nectar plum. Look at the flowers. They are are beautiful, like this one. See? So beautiful. This branch is a good candidate, and also I think this one too has flowers already. A lot of flowers actually. So which one? So this is a nectar plum. This is peach tree. Let's cut here. A branch which has like flowers already. This is the other one.